Let's say you run a small, medium, or even large size enterprise and you're wanting to connect to a major cloud. Here at Megaport, we've flipped the traditional network connectivity model on its head. You can actually spin these connections up in a matter of minutes. It's so fast, you can literally connect your business to the world over coffee. Let me show you. So for starters, let's jump right into creating a port. I'm gonna select my port location. I'm gonna pick on the United States based off where I am today. And now I'm going to choose my city. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose a data center. And also keep in mind, this journey is for anyone, meaning anybody that has staff rights can have access to this portal to get connections all around the world. And then from here, I'm going to choose a port speed. You can either do 1 gig or 10 gig. I'm gonna choose a 10 gig port. I'm gonna give it a port name. Let's say I'm an enterprise, and it just so happens I'm a medium-sized enterprise. And this is my first port. Let's just do port 1. And then now I'm gonna leave it private by default. If I'm a business and I'm only wanting to use this for my company, team and resources. And then last but not least, if I wanted to aggregate more than one port, you can enable that. By default, it's turned off. Then I click next, and that is it. We have a summary page showcasing exactly what we just created. I can add the port, it shows up in a shopping cart, and then I can click on order. When I do that, it's gonna validate that port. It's gonna show me my monthly rate, and this is where we get very disruptive. We are on month-to-month terms. This gives you full control to use things as you need them and not be on the hook for traditional long lead times. I can then click on order now, and in a matter of just a minute, this port will go live, and this is your gateway into our entire network to get to any service. What that means for your business is that now you can actually connect from your equipment to the Megaport platform and get to any public cloud destination, any other data center, any other as-a-service provider in the entire world. Once you physically connect by downloading this letter of authorization, hand this over to your data center. And from here, once you're actually connected, you can then in real time spin up connections for your business depending on your workloads. Let's choose AWS. And then from here, you'll be able to see all the different connection ports that we have. And then I can also select the country that I want to connect to. So regardless of where your port or your Megaport cloud router lives, you can specify any country to get into any cloud region. If you want one local to you, pick that country. You can name this anything you want, you can specify your speeds, and then you just need to provide your account ID. Then click next, and very similar to the port, I get a summary, add VXC to cart, and just like the Megaport, that is it. I can go ahead and click on order. It's going to validate this service. And once I have that, you can see our monthly rate on a pay-as-you-go model. Click on order now, and that is it, everyone. So there you have it. In just a matter of a few minutes, we were able to showcase how you can connect directly to the Megaport platform and then spin up connections to any public cloud destination or really any service on our entire network all around the world. And you can do this right from your home over a cup of coffee.